Namaskar. Welcome to the State Council of Educational Research and Training. Students, in the last class, we did the Macavity, the Mystery Cat of class 12, which was the poem number 7, and hope you had enjoyed it, and at home you must have read it also. So, before going further or starting with the further stanzas, let us just have a quick recap. What was the poem about? It was about the cats, yes. A cat, particular cat, T.S. Eliot's special cat. Or in the first stanza, the poet generally he told that the cat was a very master criminal, he defied the law, he in a way he was a reason of bafflement for the London police, and also the flying squad, whenever they reached the scene of crime, Macavity was not there. In the second paragraph, do you remember what we did? In the second paragraph, it was said that Macavity did not follow the rules of gravitation. He knew how to float. Even the fakirs and the person who knew magic would stare at him. और तीसरा पैराग्राफ में क्या था? It was about the features of Macavity. He was a ginger cat, tall and thin. He had a dome-shaped head. His coat was dusty, which showed that he was a neglected type of cat, and also his whiskers were not combed, means he was very dull and dusty. Then in the next paragraph, let us continue and see what the poet wants to say about Macavity, the mystery cat. Yes, one more thing I want to mention, that he was also called the hidden paw by whom? By T.S. Eliot. It was his pet name. वहाँ वो जहाँ भी जाता था अपने निशान नहीं छोड़ता था, उनके जैसे लगता था कि वो ज़मीन पे पैर रखता ही नहीं, हिडन पॉ है, पॉ उसका पॉ के निशान होते ही नहीं थे, पंजों के निशान होते ही नहीं थे. तो नाउ लेट्स कम to the next stanza, further stanzas. Yes, one more thing was there. He was called a fiend in feline shape. Means he was a monster or an evil spirit in a cat shape. Now let's do the next stanza, which we are going to start today. Before starting, I would like to remind you that there are few words, कुछ words नीचे दिए हुए हैं, hard words जो थोड़ा सा difficult words थे, जैसे कि larder है. Larder क्या होता है? A cupboard used for storing food, जिसमें खाने के सामान वगैरह हम लोग रखते हैं, अलमीरा जो होता है, that is called larder. और rifled मतलब search thoroughly, बहुत ज़्यादा गहन तरीके से किसी चीज़ को ढूंढा गया. जैसे मान लो कि किसी चीज़ को चुराने के लिए हम बहुत ज़्यादा उस जगह को हम खोजबीन करते हैं, तो दैट इज़ कॉल्ड राइफल्ड. स्टाइफल्ड मतलब होता है सफोकेटेड, या कोई काम कर रहा है, कोई जा रहा है आगे काम कर रहा है, उसको दबा देना, रोक देना, एक तरह से सांसों को मतलब सफोकेशन हो, सांस लेने में दिक्कत हो, स्ट्रैंगल्ड हो. एंड ट्रेलिस मीन्स अ फ्रेमवर्क, जैसा आप पिक्चर में देख सकते हैं, एक फ्रेमवर्क जिसमें जो क्लाइंबिंग प्लांट्स होते हैं वो उनको चढ़ने के लिए बनाया जाता है, जैसे गेट फ्लावर है या फिर मनी प्लांट है, ये सब के लिए ट्रेलिस बनाया जाता है ताकि वो आराम से उस पर फैल सकें. एंड इट लुक्स ब्यूटीफुल व्हेन इट ग्रोज. सो नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट. Let me first read the stanza. He is outwardly respectable. They say he cheats at cards, and his footprints are not in any file of Scotland Yard. And when the larder's looted, or the jewel case rifled, or when the milk is missing, or another pake's been stifled, or the greenhouse glass is broken, and the trellis past repair, hey, there's the wonder of thing, Macavity is not there. पोइट क्या कह रहे हैं मैकाविटी के बारे में कि वो ऐसा है कि कोई उसको आज तक nobody has even caught him, or he has not left any footprints or any source of suspicion by which he could be caught. So he is outwardly respectable because nobody has seen him doing any crime. So he is respectable, everyone respects him, and people also say that while playing cards he cheats also. he cheats at cards. It's a bit funny that cat is playing cards, but in the beginning only I told you that the poem is humorous, sense of humor is there in the poem, this poem. And his footprints are now not found in any file of Scotland Yard's. Footprints are not found means like we have people have thumb impression, human beings thumb impressions are taken or fingerprints are taken, you can say. Likewise, it is a cat, so fingerprints cannot be taken, so its footprints mentioned here. So since he has not been caught till now in while after any crime, so there is no file in which his footprints are there, means he is a very person of a very clean image in the society. No police, no Scotland police has any footprints in their file against him. And when the larders looted, larder means I told you it's a cupboard where foods are stored, सूखे जो खाने का सामान होते हैं किचन में उसे हम रखते हैं, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड लार्डर. तो जब भी वेन एवर लार्डर इज़ लूटेड मीन्स एवरीथिंग इज़ डिस्ट्रॉयड एंड टेकन अवे एंड जैसे चोरी हुआ हो, डकैती हुआ हो, उस तरह से. और द ज्वेल केस इज़ राइफल्ड, और लगे कि द ज्वेल केस जैसे मैंने कहा कि कभी चोरी वगैरह हो या फिर कुछ उस तरह का घर में छानबीन, कोई लगे कि कोई दुश्मन आके कुछ सर्च कर रहा हो, तो कैसे उथल पुथल हो जाता है घर. कमरे का जो हालत होता है बिल्कुल देखने लायक होता है, सारा सामान बिखरा पड़ा होता है. तो उसी तरह से ज्वेल केस जो है, जो गहने का जो केस था जहाँ पे वेयर ज्वेल्स वर केप्ट, दैट वाज राइफल्ड, मीन्स समथिंग हैड बीन सर्च फ्रॉम देयर. Or when the milk is missing, and since the McCavity is a cat, so milk and cat have a very intimate relation, you can say. So when the milk is missing, one will suspect that McCavity must have had been there, but no, McCavity is not there. So when the milk is missing, or another Pakes being stifled, it is a short form of Pekingese, that is called it is a kind of dog, a breed of dog, कुत्ते का नस्ल है. तो जब ऐसा कभी दिखता है कि पेक जो है वो कभी उसको भी दबाया गया हो, उसको भी रोका गया हो. डॉग्स आर वेरी मच कॉन्शियस, और वो हमेशा ऐसा होता है कि वो whenever they are there, nobody can come as thief. कोई चोर बन के घर में घुसे तो वो उसे कुत्ते भौंक के रोक देते हैं. बट अभी यहाँ पे दिख रहा है कि कुत्ते को भी दबाया गया है, रोका गया है, जैसे लग रहा है सफोकेशन हुआ है, उसे भी ऐसा भी काम हुआ है. और क्या हो सकता है, और द ग्रीन हाउस ग्लास इज ब्रोकन, ग्रीन हाउस का जो ग्लास है दैट इज ब्रोकन, somebody thief has come or somebody has come and the glass is broken. And the trellis past repair. Trellis, as I told you, you can see in the image, you can see the picture of a larder also in the image. In the slide, on the slide, there's a picture of greenhouse also. And the trellis is also broken. Sometimes the trellis past repair, it needs repair, means somebody has climbed on the trellis, and trellis is not that much strong, it is just only to climb for the plants. Just climb on that, the climbers climb and it looks beautiful. But when somebody other than plants, if they climb, it will be broken and it will need repair. So the trellis also needs its past repair. Aye, there's the wonder of thing, and to the utmost astonishment, McCavity is not there. कहीं भी सब इतना सब कुछ हो गया, लार्डर लूटा गया है, ज्वेल केस को खंगाला गया है, पूरा ढूंढा गया है, मिल्क नहीं है, पेकेज जो है वो उसको भी लगा कि दबाया गया है, ग्रीन हाउस इज़ ब्रोकन, ट्रेलिस टूटा हुआ है, रिपेयर उसे चाहिए. ये सब चीज़ होने के बाद, इतने क्राइम्स होने के बाद, व्हेन हमारे आश्चर्य, हम लोगों के लिए आश्चर्य की बात है कि मैकेविटी इज़ नॉट देयर, मैकेविटी वहाँ है ही नहीं, कहीं उसका कोई नज़र नहीं आ रहा है, कोई उसका निशान नहीं है, कोई सुराग नहीं है मैकेविटी का. वो इतने सारे क्राइम के बाद भी मैकेविटी बिल्कुल निर्दोष दिख रहा है, बिल्कुल ही वो एक बिल्कुल इग्नोरेंट टाइप ऑफ कैट दिख रहा है. So let's go to the next stanza. And when, before reading this, let me discuss about the difficult words. Treaty is gone astray. Treaty is an agreement that may be between two countries, two states. So treaty gone astray, astray means it is violated or it has been misplaced. Disclosed yani revealed, something which we did not know and it has come to open in front of everyone. A licking of his thumb means evaluation of success of one's deed, means something if somebody has achieved, we just like we show the thumbs up, it is that the cat shows its thumbs up by licking its thumbs. So let's read the poem now. And when the Foreign Office find a treaty gone astray, or the Admiralty lose some plans and drawings by the way, there may be a scrap of paper in the hall or on the stair, but it's useless to investigate. Macavity is not there. And when the loss has been disclosed, the Secret Service say it must have been Macavity, but he is a mile away. You will be sure to find him resting or a licking of his thumbs or engaged in doing complicated long division sums. It's so funny, you can see that when the poet is saying that for instance, for suppose in a Foreign Office, when very important document, confidential document, treaty, as I told you, it's an agreement between two states or something like that. So when that treaty, that agreement has been misplaced, agreement is not there, it has been violated, or the Admiralty lose some plans, like the people working on sea, they have some plans or drawings, so that also has been lost. There may be a scrap of paper in the hall, means when the search is going on, people may find that scrap of paper, some scrap of paper in the hall में मिल सकता है या सीढ़ियों पे मिल सकता है और on the stair, but it's useless to investigate. लेकिन खोजबीन करना मुश्किल है, बेकार है, useless है, क्योंकि Macavity is not there, Macavity तो वहाँ है ही नहीं. And when the loss has been disclosed, और जब भी loss जो है वो उसको डिस्क्लोज कर दिया जाता है, बता दिया जाता है, लोगों को पता चल जाता है, तो द सीक्रेट सर्विस से whatever has been lost, if the loss has been disclosed, yani it has been done open in front of the people, the secret service whoever are doing the service, they say it must have been Macavity, जरूर Macavity का काम होगा, but he is a mile away, वो तो काफ़ी दूर है. You'll be sure finding him resting, or whenever you go searching for him, you will see him resting. जैसे लग रहा है कि वो उसने कुछ किया ही नहीं है, बिल्कुल वो शांत मुद्रा में he is resting or licking of his thumb, और लग रहा है कि अपने thumb को वो lick कर रहा है, चाट रहा है. जैसे हम लोग, मैंने बताया कि when we do something of success, or we are very happy after doing some work, how we are happy and show our thumbs up like that. तो Macavity वो बिल्कुल शांत बैठा हुआ है, and as if लग रहा है कि वो अपना thumb को lick कर रहा है, he is licking his thumb. और नहीं तो what he is doing, if he is not licking his thumb or engaged in doing complicated long division sums, और ऐसा लगेगा कि he is so busy, he is doing the sums of mathematics, long division sum बना रहा है, उसे दीन दुनिया से कोई मतलब नहीं है, he is so busy as if he does not know that anything must have happened around him. तो people say yes that must have been Macavity. हमेशा आप लोग अपने जीवन में भी देखे होंगे कि अगर एक दो किसी को शक हो जाता है तो कोई भी गलती आपके घर के आसपास हो, नहीं वही होगा, उसने ही किया होगा. उसी तरह से यहाँ Macavity भी क्राइम सस्पेक्ट होता है, बट whenever people go there, Macavity is not there. और Macavity जब दिखेगा तो बहुत दूर, काफ़ी अ माइल अवे वो दिखेगा, और वहाँ बिल्कुल आराम से बैठा हुआ है, या फिर या तो वो लगेगा कि he is busy in doing something very very busy, like people when you people solve the maths sums, how busy you are. You don't know what is happening around you. You are so much engrossed in your sums or in your book that you don't know who is coming and who is going in the room. So like that, Macavity is also very busy doing something, and the poet has just mentioned that he is doing long division sums just for a humor sense like हम लोग थोड़ा सा हंस ले, मुस्कुरा ले, कैट कहीं सम बनाता है. सो आप, मैंने कहा था ना कि आप लोग पढ़ेंगे तो आपको लगेगा कि यू विल बी फीलिंग pleased, or you will laugh in your own mind, in your thoughts you will be laughing. So let's go further and see the next stanza. Macavity, there's no one like Macavity. There never was a cat of such deceitfulness and suavity. He always has an alibi and one or two to spare, and whatever time the deed took place, Macavity was not there. The poet is saying that this line has been repeated so many times in most of the time, and I think that you must have learned this line, that Macavity, there is no one like Macavity. कोई नहीं है Macavity की तरह. He is such a unique cat. He is a cat of so much, such a different personality, you can say, that the poet stresses, emphasizes the line that Macavity, no one is like Macavity. There never was a cat of such deceitfulness. इस तरह का deceitfulness, what is the meaning of deceitfulness? Fraudulence or dishonesty, means धोखाधड़ी करने वाला या इस तरह का cat कहीं नहीं, nobody can see. And he is, what is suavity? Deceitful but conceals with great skill and elegance. जैसे लगता है कि इस तरह का कैट जो है वो कहीं नहीं मिलेगा, इतना धोखा देने वाला और इतनी मधुरता से अपना काम करने वाला. मीन्स यू कैन नॉट सस्पेक्ट हिम. आपके सामने, इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू, ही विल डिसीट यू, ही विल डू यू हार्म, बट यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट ही इज डूइंग. ही विल बिहेव सो नाइसली, बिल्कुल मधुरता से वो आपके साथ बिहेव करेगा, लगेगा कि he is not the culprit. And he always has an alibi, one or two to spare. What is alibi? Alibi is like we can say a person who will be a help of excuse to you. जैसे हम बोलते हैं ना, गवाह होता है कि मेरे लिए तुम गवाही दोगे ना, तुम लोग भी कुछ काम ऐसा करते हो कि मतलब तुमने किया नहीं है, and you have to be taken in front of the headmaster or like that, then you take a friend. Come on, you will tell me that I have not done. You will tell the teacher or the headmaster that I have not done this. So like that, he always kept an alibi. कोई excuse, कोई उसके defense में somebody was there. Always, not only one, he had spare also. Suppose the first alibi did not appear, then the second or third would come and help him, like that. So he always had an alibi, and whatever time the deed took place, Macavity was not there. कहीं भी, कुछ भी, anything would happen, anywhere it would happen. Always somebody or other would tell that no, at that time I had seen Macavity some other place, a mile away, as in the previous stanza we saw that like that Macavity always is there, or somebody is there to tell that Macavity was away from that the place of crime. So Macavity wasn't there. You can see that the poet has written this Macavity wasn't there in big block letters to emphasize. So many times he has said this, and now in this stanza also he says that Macavity wasn't there. Macavity नहीं है, वहाँ नहीं था तो नहीं था तो नहीं था. इस तरह से the poet is trying to say. So आगे बढ़ते हैं. And they say that all the cats whose wicked deeds are widely known, I might mention Mongo Jerry, I might mention Bridlebone, are nothing more than agents for the cat who all the time just controls their operations, the Napoleon of crime. The poet is saying that, and they say that all the cats whose wicked deeds are widely known. There are so many culprits, or there are so many we can say criminals that they do wicked deeds everybody knows that they are the criminals, they are doing the crime, and sometimes they are so notorious that everybody knows them. Now the poet says that I might mention Mongo Jerry, I might mention Griddlebone, are nothing more than the agents for the cat who all the time just controls their operation. और यहाँ जो some जो नोटोरियस कैट्स हैं उनका नाम पोएट ने लिखा है, जैसे मोंगो जेरी है, ग्रिडलबोन है. दीज आर द आई कैन से जैसे बहुत नामी हैं, लेकिन व्हेन दे आर फेमस इन द नेगेटिव सेंस वी कॉल देम नोटोरियस. तो दे आर नोटोरियस कैट्स. Mongo Jerry is a fictional cat in T.S. Eliot's old Possum's book of Practical Cats. So Mongo Jerry is a fictional character from T.S. Eliot's other book, that is the Old Possums of Practical Cats. So वहाँ in that book also he is a very notorious cat. So here he is mentioning that there are many cats like Mongo Jerry, and Griddlebone also is one of them. So Griddlebone or Mongo Jerry are not two notorious cats. The poet is saying that there are many cats like them who are known for their wicked deeds. अपने बुरे काम के लिए, अपने गलत deeds के लिए they are widely known, they are notorious and are nothing more than agents. But here these two, they are cats like these, Mongo Jerry and Griddlebone, they also work as agents for Macavity. Means Macavity is the mastermind, Macavity is the master criminal handling or doing his work, and these cats like these just are like helpers. You must have seen in films also, obviously in films, that there is a main criminal and there are many helpers who help him. He instructs that you have to go there and do the looting or do the dacoiting, and the helpers help him. They go there, वहाँ चोरी करते हैं, डाका डालते हैं. So like this, they support, those criminals support the main robber, main criminal. So like this, here Mongo Jerry and Griddlebone also are helping Macavity. They are nothing more than agents for the cat who all the time just controls their operations. And the Macavity is just like the Napoleon of crime, the master of all the crimes, and he all the time he controls the operations. And these cats, these notorious cats like Mongo Jerry and Griddlebone, they just help him. They act as helpers in doing the crime. So you can see the poet has elaborately described about Macavity, and while reading the poem, while I was reading it for you, or you must have read it at your home also, while reading the poem, we like experience that yes, there are some cats or there are some animals like Macavity, or there are some people in the world also like Macavity. They are behind most of the crimes or most of the bad deeds in the society, but since they are not caught, they just roam about in the society as white collared person, and the people suffer because of them. ऐसे लोग भी होते हैं दुनिया में जो Macavity की तरह हैं, कल्प्रिट हैं, गुनाह कर रहे हैं, लेकिन पकड़े नहीं जाते हैं. तो खैर वो तो अलग बात है, लेकिन यहाँ एक कैट को लेके हमने देखा कि कैट कितने मतलब चालाकी से, कितने अच्छे तरीके से T.S. Eliot ने Macavity के बारे में डिस्क्राइब किया है, as if he is a human being, as if he is a real working, very smartly or intelligently working human being like that. So we can see that the topic is only, the main character is a cat, but it is so interesting that while reading each and every paragraph, we are having a sense of humor. हमें अंदर से हंसी आ जा रही है कि the cat is playing cards, the cat is looting the larder, the cat is looting the jewelry box also, and then the greenhouse also, and then the trellis also. So like this, we can see that poet has created a fictional character which we can see as if in our real life. Whenever I see a cat now after that I have read the Macavity, the mystery cat. Whenever I have read it first, after that whenever I see a cat, I think that is Macavity. So clearly the poet has described about Macavity, his appearance, his way of walking and way of acting like he is so innocent, he has not done anything. तो wasn't this very humorous? मज़ा आया था ना, आया ना ये पोएम पढ़ने में ये? तो चलिए हम लोग आगे अब ट्रू एंड फॉल्स है उसको भी देख लेते हैं. You can see there are few statements given. If the statements are true, you have to write T, and if they are false, just write F against the sentences. Open your books and do with me. Macavity is an ordinary cat. Ordinary cat था नहीं, so it is false. It was an extraordinary cat. Macavity is an outlaw. ये क्या है? This is true. Yes. Macavity is always there on the scene of crime. No, this is false, because whenever the crime has been done and the flying squad goes there, Macavity is not there. वहाँ तो होता ही नहीं है Macavity. Macavity can be found in the basement. Can he be found? No, false है, because there is a line in the poem, you can see him in the basement and in the air. Macavity is not there, वो कहीं नहीं मिलता है. Number E, the poet finds Macavity lazy and half asleep. This is true. Macavity कहीं भी पड़ा हुआ है तो ऐसा लगेगा सोया हुआ है और lazy है, लेकिन actually he is wide awake. वो दिखता है कि he is lazy or half asleep. So it is true. It can be seen in the by street. बगल के सड़क पे चलते हुए भी दिख जाएगा. It is true. Mongo Jerry and Griddlebone are cat. Mongo Jerry और Griddlebone भी cat हैं. True ही है. The poet is really angry with Macavity. Is poet happy with Macavity? No, he is angry because he also suspects that Macavity is the source of every crime. The poet compares Macavity to Napoleon. It is also true. So hope you have enjoyed the poem. हम लोगों ने पोएम पढ़ा और मुझे तो बहुत मज़ा आया. मैं जब भी इस पोएम को पढ़ती हूँ, आई लाइक द पोएम, आई एन्जॉय द पोएम. आप लोग भी इस पोएम को फिर से दोबारा पढ़िएगा. यू रीड द पोएम एट होम, and I told you, whenever you see a cat, as I do, I feel I see a Macavity in every cat. So read the poem again and see the humorous lines or humorous points in the poem. And it is a simple poem, yet it is very interesting. So keep reading till we meet in the next class. Thank you.